Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05. And the first one, that when you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone. You can use gestures on your earbuds. And right here at the back side we have these touch areas, these golden areas. And with it you can play or pause the song, you can increase or lower the volume, you can play next track, you can call voice assistant or swap between ambient sound controls. Next one, you can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer presets, and you need to install SOUNDPEATS application. And then, of course, you need to add it to the application. If you don't know how to install and set up it or how to add it, this channel we have videos about it. Now we go right here, and here it is, equalizer, and you just click on it and changing equalizer presets. Also, if you don't like this preset, here's bass boost. This is my favorite preset, so it would be a huge plus for you if you also like basses. Now, if you don't like these presets, you can create custom presets and you can make something good for you, or you can enable adaptive equalizer. But if you need to set up this equalizer, and you just click at the check the detailed information. Also, if you don't know how to do it, and this channel we have a video about it. But you can use only one equalizer setting, so you only, or you use some preset what SOUNDPEATS offer for you, or you use custom equalizer or adaptive equalizer. Next one, these earbuds have ANC, what mean active noise reduction, and you can enable it in the application right here, as I said, as I did, or you can use a gesture right here, so you can easily also enable it. And if you don't like ANC mode, or when you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds, you can enable transparency mode and you will hear someone much better. Next one, this is a trick only for the Android user, but not at all of them. These earbuds support LDAC, what mean high resolution audio codec. But the first one, you cannot use it at your Apple device, because iPhones didn't support DAC, it support only AC codec. But if you have Android, you need to check is your phone support LDAC, because if it didn't support LDAC, it makes no sense to use LDAC with it. Next one, I tested microphone on these earbuds, and these earbuds have pretty good microphone. I hear myself clearly when I spoke normally without background sound. I hear myself clearly when I spoke softly. Also, this microphone mutes street sound, so it's a good one. And the last one, if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can easily perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you have two options. The first one is to use an application, and right here we have a reset button. You just click on it and then click reset again, or you can, if you don't need to install this application, you just put it to the charging case, and then at the left side we have connectional button. You press and hold on it, and then you wait until this LED light blinking. You press and hold it for at least 10 seconds, and then you just reconnect it to your phone, and you can fix a lot of problems with this method. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!